meatless mode continues, you know.
Meatless moon. We have
So
it.
you went tuna.
Right?
We're going kingfish now.
I like that.
And I'm doing a real simple dish inspired by Bertolli olive oil. Right. Cooking with olive oil is really a beautiful thing.
Healthy too.
It's very healthy, and you would be amazed. Olive oil has flavor and depth and taste, and it's not just for pouring in a pot and you know that kind of thing. So I'm actually going to be baking this fish in an olive oil mixture.
All right.
So I want to help me. Come and help me. I'll pay this. So Teja bubbling pot and thing, you know. So I want these tomatoes. These are nice little cherry tomatoes, and I really just want these cherry tomatoes cut in half,
right,
and dumped in there. So you have all of the finish. Yeah. So while you're doing that,
but before you take them, I'll wash my hands. We must practice.
Do that.
All right.
Right. So while Teja is on that, I am going to pull together the olive oil mixture. So in a bowl, I'm going to use a half cup of olive oil. Just about there. And I get that in. And I really just want now to season up my olive oil. So I have a little salt, a little pepper. I like a little, as I said, I like to cook with my favorite pepper sauce. Whatever the favorite pepper sauce, add them in there.
Right.
I have some rosemary that I chopped up here. So whatever herb you choose, right? Rosemary, you know, you could use chive, celery, whatever herb you like. Garlic, very important.
Wow.
And I get my garlic in there. This is the flavor that I'm adding to this. This is balsamic vinegar. Balsamic vinegar. So it's a balsamic vinegar and tomato baked fish that we're doing. So I just want to mix this together.
Right, so I now finish the tomatoes there.
Very good. And I will take these tomatoes and I just want to add this directly.
Oh.
Yeah,
man.
You understand?
And I feel like that giving a little thickness too. A little.
The tomatoes will kind of now mix in well. It will absorb the flavor of the olive oil. And
I'm going to use the Trini word, the kusume.
It will kusume in there. You understand? So ideally I said, if we had time, you can just leave this till, as you say, kusume, and let it just stay there for a couple of minutes, 10-15 minutes kind of thing.
All right.
And then you take this greased baking dish. So the first thing I want to do is to take just a little,
right,
and just drizzle.
Good.
Just at the base, right?
Yeah,
just
man.
get a nice little drizzle at the base.
Have a nice smell already too.
Yeah, balsamic and olive oil, you know, it's just
no
amazing.
gas.
It's just
no
amazing.
gas.
No gas.
Yeah.
And then you lay your kingfish slices, right? You just see how much you can get in there. See if I can get a fourth one in there. Yeah. Just fit them in nicely. Nice rustic vibes, you know, you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be perfect.
Pour again on
and
top.
all I now want to do is to take and just kind of liberally pour all over this fish. So I said just salt and pepper, because this balsamic olive oil, very flavorful, very strong in flavor.
Smelling it already.
Yeah. You feeling with it?
Yeah, no, I ready to eat already. I find it taking long. I ready to eat.
Go in the oven for no more than about 15 minutes. 15-20 minutes for the most.
Right.
And then we will plate this up in a bit. Teja, I think we're good here?
Yeah, man. I'm smelling it from all here.
Yeah, it's bubbling nice.
Way. Performance. And I must say that special vinegar you use to the
balsamic vinegar.
Balsamic.
Right. So Teja, this piece look good for you here.
Yeah, man.
I just want to put that across there.
All here.
A little bit of nice, just a little bit of the sauce.
Right.
Nice olive oil.
And watch now, this when you know a chef know what he doing, right? He ain't taste yet, He ain't go with, but let's make sure, not me, just, are you sure?
I sure it is. I sure. Thanks for the said Bertolli olive oil. Look at how it flaked nicely there, yeah.
Yeah, it have a nice little crust too, boy. Way.
Dingole. Somebody said dingole.
It have a little kick, boy. I can't explain it. It have a little oomph, a little pizzazz. I mean, as you word.
We're could take
No
that
way.
one. We could take that one. Thanks to the folks at Bertolli Olive Oil. Guys, try the recipe on CappajoCaribbean.com.
Bertolli, yeah.